In this video, we will cover how to restore a backup on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Console, press the Memory tab, press Restore Backup, press the green check mark, press the small plus button, select the file that you wish to restore, and press the green check mark. We have now covered how to restore a backup on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.